Hello my people, how una dey? Hope una dey fine na your girl Rita Osagie. If una just dey come into this channel, abeg make una subscribe and make una dey give me thumbs up, and also make una dey press bell notification so that when I upload now una go first see am. So wetin dey happen my people? Hope una dey keep una self safe because before we start this story this evening, I want make I just first check on all my people both home and abroad. So today we go dey talk about those of us wey marry for Africa and wan come join our husband for abroad, the challenges wey dey surround am. So make we dey go. So my people, if you know, especially we women wey marry for Nigeria and our husband dem dey for obodo oyibo this side, so when you dey come join your husband, no think say na as life be for Africa na so you go come meet am for here. Or you know, some of them now when dem dey come Africa and I dey see them that time when they go dey come Nigeria, they go get many clothes, they go buy them, they go dey tear label, they go dey wear am, they go wear one today, they go wear one tomorrow, then when you don come, you go come find out say that husband when you marry na different ball game entirely. Because one, maybe una just once or twice una come marry, una never really dey together, you understand. So even if una don marry for 10 years, you and your husband never stay, and you just dey come for the very first time come stay with your husband wherever e dey, just know say na that time when you come to stay with your husband, so na that time marriage dey start. Una go get so many challenges, una go quarrel, na it dey only dey take only the strong to survive am, and only the ones wey God give wisdom to understand say yes, na the challenges of that first 1 year or so na be this one. I get so many people wey don come complain give me say see, I go still tell them as my own small sense reach, as we dey talk am now. I go still tell them say my sister, just forget say no be how far na how well, you understand. So all those years wey una don first do that time when you dey think say e go come 1 month, e go come comot after 6 or 7 months again, e go come back, una come still see, you no go even show am your kind character, una go dey pre ten d. He go come, he go pre ten d, he no dey even dey sit down for herself, he go dey comot, he go dey go out, dey go meet him friends. Una never really dey make una know the kind person wey una really be, you understand. And some of our African women, some of our girls, I know some go dey pre ten d to do good girl, but they forget say just be you, just make the man just know say na your character na be this one, no be the one wey after some time you come dey bring am, you come dey add, una come dey fight fight, una come dey quarrel quarrel. Now na that time na you wan come try to dey bring your character come out, and him first dey come na him dey form guy man. Meanwhile when you go don reach where e dey, no be so e be. Make I give example of place. Let's say for example you marry for Africa, for Africa, then you come say you wan relocate come place like UK, because I go always dey give where me dey as an example. You wan come marry for place like UK, and your husband, dey really dey go in depth to know wetin e dey do. He go just tell you na this na that, no dey open, and no dey plain page. Una no go know this one go know this one well, but two of una still dey, I be woman, and some women dey, they go still dey wan dey do I good. I no say no do I good, but then just you are married already, so just bring your character, bring am come out, so make the man know say yes, na this kind person na I marry. Then he go know how to deal with am, and make the man still bring him own character come out, so that the woman now go still know say na this kind person she marry, so she go know how to deal with am. Understand. You no go come dey cause fight and blow later in life, you understand. I will give example for me. I go use myself as an example. Me too, I marry for Africa, so I stay for few, just few, then I come join my husband. I no go come sit down for here, I come tell you say challenges no dey for the first 1 year. Yes, I had challenges. There was a lot of challenges. There will be banters, there will be quarrels, there will be talk, but God just so help me. I had particular person, she's married and she's God fearing, that I would just at any point in time I will just call. I will just call am brrr, she dey far, she dey America, she get kids too. I go just talk to am say sis to see wetin dey happen. She go just tell me say Ezugi, make you no worry, make you just cool. No answer. Na like this, na like this. You go face this one. It takes only the ones with wisdom to understand, to conquer am and all that. That's why you go see some people, they go just marry 1 year. They no fit contain the heat and all that. They go pack. They'll say this one don't divorce, this one don't divorce. So long say fight no dey, blow no dey, slap no dey, kick no dey. That one that they call violence. You understand? So if that one dey, now only that one I no fit advice. Now you go come your tongue, take count your teeth, know wetin you wan do. You understand? So me na woman, no fit tell another fellow woman say pack or me you comot for your husband house or no. You are in position to know what's best for you. So long that one not dey, na just for everybody, both parties now to use sense. You no understand? Because you go come find out say your wife na so it be. Maybe she dey carry toothpaste, she dey press like this, she no dey put am down, and you the man at the type when they be say you go just lock the toothpaste, you go just put am for there kpankan, you go know where you put am. But this time around e don be two of una. You understand? Imagine where she from the coin far, you dey this side since you don westernize, you don know things when they do for this side, you don dey used to them, you know. The one when they come for that side still dey, you understand, na the way when they take dey live for that side, and she still dey do. You understand? So imagine say two of una go come dey together now. Not be that one when you dey come from abroad, she dey Africa, she go come clean everywhere, she go come, you know, every minute she go dey try to please you, she go dey try to please you. That's why me I dey tell some people, e no just good to dey pre ten d. Wetin you know say you no go fit end, no even better, no start am like as I dey so. Wetin I know say I no go fit end, I no dey start am. You understand? So I go carry my button, put am for where I know say e go fit cover me. You understand? Whether where e go, I know say if I sit down, nail no go come chuku me. You understand? But some girls dey like that. They go dey pretend, and some men still dey some men they sabi pretend even pass women sef. Some sef if they will even give them award for drama. Me dey hate them, I dey raise hands for them because the way they take dey do I dey cut and give them. So my people, women, girls, you understand, abeg, if una dey relocate come obodo oyibo come join una husband, nothing say as your husband just dey come that time, go just carry bag, you go just buy different clothes, you go just see the tear label kpa. Say na so e go be. You go come find out say when you don come na different ball game. You understand? Except the ones when you dey fair know say okay na so, see their routine. Like me as I dey here, so I dey always dey use myself as an example. I dey always dey ask question because I no get brother when I wan go meet, I no get sister when I wan go meet, when go come help me say I no get. So maybe the ones wey get, they feel dey make trouble, me no get, I no get why they run go meet. So I dey always dey do things when I know say yes, if heat come, only me sef go fit, I go fit carry my head put, you know, understand, without I no call mama, call papa, I no even cook get papa sef. The ones wey get una except say una know say una get person when una wan call, when go come help una dey do that gra movement. But in bottom line is, if you're in Africa, you got married in Africa and your husband is far away, you're coming to join him sometime, you know, please just know this. That lifestyle that he lives when he comes down to Africa to visit you is not the same lifestyle he lives when you two are not together. It's totally different. Different, my people. Different well. You, that sister, when sabi bragado, when sabi do pass yourself before, when they do, you want to impress people, you say your brother na this, your sister na this, your sister na lawyer, your mama get this one, your papa get this one. No, if you don't come out, you don't do your husband house, you no go fit dey do that kind of thing. You know, understand? It good make you still brag about your people. Me no even cook my get who I dey brag about anyway. But if you still get, I know say not brag about your people too. But then make you still dey limit am small. And for the men too, one una don bring una wife come this side, make una let them know wetin dey ground. No be say una go dey hide some, because those ones when dey Africa, like people like us when come from there, we don't know wetin dey before we even come. So no come think say you, when you no come tell me, I no go come know, except say that person they go carry am come out for inside one remote village. But even the one wey they carry come out for inside remote village, with time she go come still know wetin dey happen, because she go come still mingle with people. You understand? She must make friend now, make friend one day. So those ones go come put am through, say see, and that time she go come dey very very disappointed, say this man, I think say na my husband, why he come do like this? I don get so many cases when I don talk, I don try my best to still, to guide people. Sure, I go still do that one. So I say make I come use this video to tell people, say no be how dem dey call papa, dem dey call mama when you go abroad, because the way of life is totally different. And moreover, na the ones when no stand well, na dey come Africa come dey do shi. You understand? So when you go come now, you come find out say no be wetin you think. And another thing again, no dey too dey expect, like people when they always dey expect, you are always, your mind, you just say na abroad that they go. See some people when they hear abroad, it be like say na baba God na wan carry them go heaven. So it be like say na there their life dey, now in fact if once they see abroad, everything don, it's never like that. It's totally different. Make una no dey too dey expect, because when you too expect too much, meet up to your expectation, you go come dey heartbroken. You come say if I had know, I die no. You understand? So no dey too dey put that mind, say na abroad I just dey go, so if I just reach there na me can own you. No, because abroad, as I don take see am, the few years when I don take stay here, e be like pregnant woman. As you get belle, you go dey one, you go dey two. Now stage by stage by stage, just come, you just click back, you go just, everything go just dey flow no be like that. It different well my people. It different well. So not just think say if you just come now, you go just shoot, all the birds go just dey fly, they go just dey fall for your basket. No, because not forget, say as you even come sef, the man sef na only him first dey before, he dey first dey manage himself. As you come, you go come double for am, because not be say as you just come, you go just come start work. Some men still dey do am, if their wife just dey come, they go say oja, make you face work, make you go work, make you come make you bring money come house. You understand? Everybody case different, understand? Some men, they know they do like that. Why some they do like that too? The kind man when you marry, me know the kind one when I marry. And waiting work for me, not being go work for you. Now you go use your hand to maneuver the one way dey with you, so that it go work for you. Me go use my hand to maneuver the one way dey with me, so that it go work for me, go make me happy, go make me sweet. Understand? Me go still make am sweet and make am happy too. Now I say make I come tell una, make una no dey too dey expect, because no be how Africa be one una go dey drive, una go dey waka pian. No, e no dey like that for abroad. Understand? So if you be the type when they waka, you be the type when no, you don't reach your mama house, no, you don't reach your papa house, no, you don't reach your friend house. If you be the, some people dey like that, they sabi waka. If you come abroad, you go hear am small for body, because you no go dey see where they go like that. Understand? So you go there, you go get to there for some time. You go still there. Not be say you no go come out. So maybe where you want waka go now, let's shopping more. Now you go feel waka go. Where else you want go? You want from here they buy ticket to go your papa house for Nigeria, or for any other African country, or wherever you from come. Do you understand? So it's gonna be it's a different ball game. You understand? You have to just prepare your mind. You understand? Prepare your mind. You understand? It's always good, what you are going into. You tell you say every year na make an only year. I know they do the one way person no go tell me say I get me canon. So I dey always dey ask my question down, so that I go know how I take prepare as I dey come. You understand? So when I still dey there, whenever join on her husband, this one not me say I dey put fear for una mind, say na so if una come things go hard well. No, na stage by stage. As una come, una go put una head down, join on her husband, and I pray say the husband wanna still marry na the type when go see open up, tell una say see wetin he dey do. do o, see how im dey see im income o, see wetin im dey do, you understand, make everything, so that you as the woman na you go come help the man out, so that things go still segemege somehow for una side. And some, you know say some men dey, I dey always dey use this frame, the ones wey dey for Europe, all those European country men, wey those our men wey comot for Africa, dey just go Europe. You know say e be like say dey comot for village enter village again. Una no kill me o. E be like we comot for village enter village again. Their orientation is totally different when it comes to family, you understand. Giving example, in UK where I stay, family first. For UK, this aunt go wash this one, this aunt go wash the other one. Na go make aunt take clean, na be UK own. But for Europe men, you know say na so some Europe men still dey. Na still the some type na the ones when their wife come, they go come use turn the slave. The wife go come even old pass her age. Tradition not dey. You know say some Europe men still dey. When you put water for table, make they take wash hand, you see kneel down join am. Some people some people dey like that. So maybe you now you go marry the type when be say even as una dey abroad, you still na the type when you come still set table, you come still, you understand, pull hand, you even stand sef give am water make him drink. So una two go come know how una want to do that one that time, because e no easy when you dey abroad. No mama to help, no papa to help, no brother to help, no sister to help. Na only you and nana come dey. So una suppose be best of friends. E no mean say if una when you come the first time, una no go get challenges, una go get challenges, but na just sense una go use. Everything go come still pass. That breeze go come still blow pass. Una come still dey enjoy una sef. Life go come still, the things wey una want go come still dey fall into places. You understand? Na so e be. Na so I say make I just say make I just come tell my people, because I know say so many people for Africa, they dey think say up till now, they still dey think say abroad na one kind place like this where money for dey grow for tree. Majority of them when they come Africa, many when they lie like that, when I know say na lie, they no get any name apart from the name wey their mama and their papa give them. They no add any other name. They no go only come Africa, they go come they do anyhow. And our guests now see me see abroad, they go just they go even they help them, they wash their pants when they wear come. I never done before. So I say make I can't use this medium to tell una say, you when your husband no dey tell you everything, if you come e go dey more difficult for you, because if they come Africa come dey wear different papa's cap they give you, they come dey wear different shirts they give you. So you go just think say na so life be. Oh, you want go abroad, you want go abroad. When you come reach abroad, you come find out say even the boss as when you wear for us, it's here for yansh. Did I just say that? Excuse me, guys. So now so I see am. So I see am. I say make I come use this meat on tell you now. So that will be all for today. If you're just joining us, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you. It's your same girl, Rita Osaige. Thank you for watching. Bye.